Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the best budgeting app, Copilot versus Monarch. Which is better? Let's kick things off with pricing. Copilot offers a free trial, then kicks in at just $8.99 per month. A flexible option if you want to test the waters before committing. Monarch, on the other hand, features a 14-day free trial with a subscription rate of $7.99 per month, making it a strong contender for those looking to save a little extra. Next up, user experience. Copilot boasts a sleek modern design that effortlessly syncs with your bank accounts, automatically categorizing expenses and providing real-time insights into your spending habits. Monarch takes it a step further with a fully customizable dashboard, AI-powered recommendations, and intuitive goal-setting tools that help you visualize and achieve your financial objectives. When it comes to features, both apps shine. Copilot delivers detailed reports, budgeting tips, and smart alerts that keep you on track, while Monarch offers proactive alerts, tailored finance advice, and even one-on-one coaching options to guide you through your money management journey. Customer support and community matters too. Copilot has a vibrant user community and round-the-clock support to answer your questions. Monarch prides itself on a personalized assistance and wealth of in-app resources designed to help you master your budgeting skills. So which app should you choose? If you're after a streamlined, tech-savvy experience with instant insights, Copilot might be your go-to. But if you prefer comprehensive, personalized guidance at a slightly lower cost, Monarch could be the perfect match. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.